Hola, chicas malas. All right. Listen up, sweethearts. It's your girl, Blaxican Baddie, coming through with a super cute makeup look inspired by sweet cherries. But don't get it twisted, we're not doing some dainty little princess vibe here. No, we're giving you sass, we are giving attitude, and we are giving cherry bomb energy. So grab your makeup and let's get this party started. I already have on some foundation from earlier today, so let's pick up our brow pencils, and I'm going to do a little bit of penciling in. Let's talk about brows. If your brows are not snatched, then what are you doing? Draw them like you're carving out your path to greatness, okay? Bold, defined, beautiful. I don't care if they look like twins or distant cousins. Just make sure they're not asking for directions to the wrong place. So I'm just going to blend in this brow powder, or if you have a brow pencil, you can use that. And now let's go ahead and get to the cherry red eyeshadow. So just pick your favorite red eyeshadow color, and with a bold swipe, you want to blend it out. Blend this out like you're trying to avoid your ex at the club, okay? Keep it smooth, don't overthink it, and remember, a little drama never hurt anyone. So once you've got that blended in, it's time to grab your eyeliner, or if you have a black eyeshadow and a small brush, you can create eyeliner out of your eyeshadow. And now it's time for some blush. We need that rosy cheek vibe, and no, I'm not talking about being sweet. We want to go for more of a seductive look today. Like you just ran a mile in 5-inch heels. That is the look we're going to. That is the brightness level we're going to. And now let's grab our favorite highlighter. So we want to blind everyone from a mile away with this highlight, okay? So we want to put this highlight all the way up to the brow bone this time. So we can put it underneath the brows, we can put it on top of the cheeks, on the bridge of the nose, maybe even on your cupid's bow if you want your lips to look a little bit more full. So now we're gonna pick a bold red lip. And if you don't have a red lipstick, you can use my method, which is to create your own lip color using eyeshadow and Vaseline. Just mix those two together. It's not going to be quite as opaque. You may have to put more eyeshadow on top of the Vaseline to try to get it to have more color. But I want to do a bold red lip because when I'm putting on this red lip, it is supposed to represent my luxurious lifestyle. Like, I have a special occasion to go to. I am the special occasion. My life is the special occasion. That's why I'm wearing a red lip. That is the style we're going for here. So apply the lipstick, make sure you line your lips properly, and boom, we're done. All right, that is the cherry bomb, folks. Bold, sassy, and ready to steal your man. So if you loved this, be sure to hit the subscribe button, because trust me, you do not want to miss the looks we are serving on this YouTube channel. Until then, keep it spicy and always keep them guessing. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.